Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your Google account is signed in and syncing. This ensures saved places return. Open Google Maps now. If it crashes, force stop and relaunch. Make sure location and background activity permissions are enabled so Maps can access GPS and update history. Once done, clear a tiny cache if performance lags. You do this to remove corrupt temporary files without losing data. If possible, connect to a stable Wi-Fi to avoid cellular interruptions while restoring map content and offline areas. Next, restore app data from Google Drive where Maps backups live, open Settings, navigate to Backup, and choose the most recent Maps backup if present. Then, re-download offline maps for the regions you use. This brings tiles and routing back locally. Sync saved places and lists by opening your places and pulling down to refresh. Timeline syncs after enabling location history. Make sure syncing finishes before testing navigation, because partial syncs can leave missing pins or incomplete search history. Finally, test core functions. Search an address, start navigation, and verify voice guidance and lane suggestions to confirm full restoration. If you still see missing places or crashes, rebuild Maps cache in App Info or reinstall the app. This resolves corrupted installs. Make sure Play Services is updated too, because Maps relies on it. One troubleshooting tip: toggle location history off then on to force a fresh sync. This often repairs stuck timelines and restores lost saved places without losing your account data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.